Are you interested in becoming a certified damp surveyor, but not quite sure where to start? You're in the right place. Welcome to the Federation of Damp's Beginner Damp Surveyor training course, the perfect starting point for anyone who wants to enter the world of damp diagnostics with confidence, clarity, and the right professional foundation. This course is designed specifically for complete beginners. So, even if you have no previous experience in surveying, construction, or moisture investigation, don't worry. This training gives you everything you need to understand the essential principles behind damp, mould, condensation, and basic building moisture behaviour. Our beginner training breaks down the fundamentals in a simple step-by-step format. You'll learn how damp forms in different types of properties, early signs to look out for during a survey, basic diagnostic tools and how they're used, common misconceptions that cause incorrect assessments, and the essential knowledge every future surveyor should have. Now, this part is important. If you are a complete beginner, this course must be completed before joining our main damp surveyor certification training. It ensures you have the right foundation so you can get the most value from the advanced course and progress into accurate professional level surveying. By the end of this beginner program, you'll feel confident, prepared, and ready to take your next step towards becoming a fully trained, certified damp surveyor. It's flexible, easy to follow, and created by experienced professionals who know exactly how to guide you from zero knowledge to real understanding. So, if you're ready to begin your journey into the world of damp surveying, start here. Click the Enroll button below and get instant access to the Beginner Damp Surveyor training course today. Build your confidence, gain the right foundations, and take the first step toward your future certification. Join us now, and let's get you started on the right path.